In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off auto update on Google Play Store. If you want more control over when your apps update, maybe to save data, preserve battery, or avoid surprise changes, disabling automatic updates in the Google Play Store is a simple fix. I'll walk you through exactly what to tap, explain what each screen means, and share a few practical tips so you know what to expect afterward. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. You'll see the main store page with apps and recommendations. Look to the top right corner for your profile icon. It's the small circular image or letter tied to your Google account. Tap that to open your account menu. From this menu, tap Settings. This is where Google Play groups all of its preferences. Inside Settings, find and tap Network Preferences. These options control how the Play Store behaves with your data connection, Wi-Fi, and downloads. Next, tap Auto Update Apps. This is the setting that determines whether your apps update themselves in the background. You'll see choices that typically include updating over any network, updating over Wi-Fi only, or not auto-updating at all. Select the option that says Don't Auto-Update Apps. After choosing it, tap Done to confirm. That's it. Automatic updates are now turned off for all apps on your device. This means the Play Store will no longer download and install updates on its own. Updates will still become available in the store, they just won't be applied automatically in the background. This can help you save data, avoid unexpected changes to app interfaces, and make sure updates happen only when it's convenient for you. Keep in mind, there's an important trade-off. Turning off auto updates means you're responsible for checking for updates and installing them manually. If you forget to review updates regularly, you might miss important bug fixes, performance improvements, or security patches that keep your apps running smoothly and safely. A simple habit is to set a reminder to check the Play Store every week or two, ideally when you're connected to Wi-Fi, so you can review what's new and update on your terms. If your menu labels look slightly different, don't worry. Manufacturers and Play Store versions may vary a bit, but the path is the same. Profile icon, settings, network preferences, auto update apps, then select Don't auto update and confirm. You now have full control over when your apps update. Thanks for watching and enjoy managing your updates the way you want.